Hello everyone, I am Shomi and welcome to my channel. Few days back, I was scrolling through websites for cosmetics and skincare products and this M-Caffeine grabbed my notice. Though it's quite some time that this product is in market and I have seen it also but never thought to try it out. I am always a coffee lover but never tried caffeine into my skincare. Actually what attracted was their gift kits. Box looks sturdy, color is nice, overall everything looks so luxurious that I immediately decided to get one for self-pamper. So I quickly browsed all of their gift sets and decided to try out Coffee Mood gift kit. If I find the product quality is good or it's suitable for my skin, then I may try more. The box came wrapped in brown paper which was inside another cardboard box provided by M-Caffeine itself. So there is a less chance of product damage. Products are animal test free, vegan, FDA approved, SLS free, non-toxic and give zero plastic footprint. Box is huge and heavy also. Packaging, look, fragrance, everything is unisex. So boys also would love it. The zesty aroma of coffee doubles up the excitement of trying the Coffee Mood gift kit. It has coffee face wash, coffee face mask, coffee body scrub and coffee face scrub. One face towel, one wooden scoop, one wooden spatula for face pack. M-Caffeine coffee face wash for normal to oily skin. It's a squeezable tube with flip-flop cap, 100 ml priced at Rs 349. This face wash has gel honey-like texture. It's quite thick. It's not dripping down easily. Color is brownish orange. Though it's loaded with Arabica coffee, but I'm not getting any strong smell of coffee, rather more water lily smell. Apply on a damp face and work up a lather. Massage the face for a minute and wash it off with water thoroughly. Coffee deeply cleanses. White water lily soothes inflammation. Aloe vera nourishes. Caffeine tones the skin and seaweed reduces skin pigmentation. So it cleansed my skin well and oil free. I didn't find it something like wow, but kind of okay. Maybe that's because I have dry skin. It may be good for oily or normal skin people. M-Caffeine coffee face scrub with vitamin E, and this is for normal to oily skin. 100 gram pack priced at Rs 349. Its granules are thick, so please take care if you have sensitive skin. Massage with light hands. Gently scrub in circular motions for 1 minute and wash off with cold water. You can feel the presence of walnut granules. It's creamy and spreads easily on a wet face. Coffee and walnut exfoliate, hibiscus tones, argan well moisturizes, and vitamin E makes the skin soft and supple. It helped in exfoliating my skin really well, brightens face immediately, but doesn't dry out the face. Rather, face feels softer and smoother just after using it. This gift box set costs me 200 rupees extra as compared to if I buy the product separately. But truly, if the gift box was not there, I may not even thought to try it out. But yes, if the products are good, then definitely I'll refill the box. But packaging is not everything for a product. So let me try them out and I'll tell you if it's really worth to get one box for self-pamper or to gift your near or dear one. Coffee body scrub with coconut. It's for normal to oily skin. 100 gram price is Rs 449. You are going to just love the packaging. It's a beautiful glass jar. Aroma is just wow. This is the first time from this range I am getting a coffee smell. It's pure coffee color and texture is granular. I just feel like keep on smelling it, just coming back to it after my face pack review. Coffee face mask with pure cocoa, normal to oily skin, 100 gram, price is rupees 575. This is another one you would love smelling. It's just like you are smelling a chocolate. Apply a generous amount of the mask with the spatula. Spread it into an even layer. Avoid the area around the eyes, brows and the lips. It has coffee, argan oil, cocoa, vitamin E, multani mitti and more. I just don't like the particles present in this pack. They're not so small also. I find little difficulties to spread it evenly. Now I leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. By the time my face pack dries, let me try out this coffee body scrub. Apply on wet body, take enough quantity. Gently scrub in circular motions for a few minutes, focusing more on knees, elbows and neck. Some people may find the particles present in this coffee scrub really big or maybe sometimes harsh also. So keep your pressure according to your comfort level. After some time, a paste-like consistency will form. I think I am done with my massaging. Now let me wash it off. An instant brightness, softness, smoothness of the skin, lots of improvements instantly I can see. It has done a great level of tan removal. See the difference between two hands. Yes, I am happy with the result and a thumbs up from my side. Now coming back to the face pack, let me clear it off. Skin becomes brighter and softer, but regular application is required to get best results.
So after using all these products, yes, I can see a visible change in my skin. Skin become softer, brighter, and I can see the glow also. So yes, it's good. The fragrance is really good. If you are a coffee lover, then this is a must try for you once. I find face wash normal, nothing extraordinary, but yes, it's doing its job perfectly. Face scrub is good, but as the granules are little big, then sensitive skin people, please take care. Do not rub too much. And I just like the face pack, it's really good. And the body scrub is the one I like most. It's really good. You feel good while you use it. My hands are still soft and quite moisturized also. My skin is also not drying. Though this range is for oily skin, but it doesn't over dry. You can just feel it. I have not applied any cream or moisturizer yet, but I cannot feel any dryness. So hope this video was helpful and you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. Please like, comment and share the video. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye.